Next Peak presents How to Master Any Debate and Come Out on Top. Ever found yourself caught in an argument you didn't even want to be part of? It happens. At work, at home, even online. Disagreements are part of life, and they can trigger everything from stress to skyrocketing tempers. Some people avoid debates like the plague. Others treat every discussion like a courtroom battle. But most of us, we're somewhere in the middle. We don't look for conflict, but we want to be ready when it finds us. So here's the million-dollar question. How do you actually win an argument? Let's talk strategy. First, control your volume. Believe it or not, the most persuasive person in the room is rarely the loudest. Raising your voice doesn't make your point stronger. It just starts a shouting contest. Keep calm, speak clearly, and you'll already seem more rational and in control. Second, create common ground. A smart debater doesn't come in swinging. Start with statements your opponent already agrees with, even if they're not directly tied to the argument. This lowers their defenses and makes you seem more like a partner in conversation than an enemy. Third, focus on the argument, not the person. Calling someone out directly, or worse, insulting them, only shuts down dialogue. Instead of saying you're wrong, demonstrate it with strong reasoning. Remember, attacking ideas is productive. Attacking people is not. Fourth, keep it respectful. No matter how tempting it is to throw a jab, avoid personal insults at all costs. Once name-calling enters the debate, logic flies out the window. Stay classy. It gives you the moral high ground and weakens their position. Fifth, stay curious, not defensive. It's easy to get stuck in our own perspective, but if you appear open to new ideas, even if you're not planning to switch sides, your own argument becomes more credible. Let them talk. Sometimes people talk themselves into your point of view. Sixth, don't let them change the topic. If someone starts drifting off topic, don't follow them down that road. Gently steer the conversation back to the original point. Distractions are often just escape tactics. Seventh, use the power of questions. Instead of bombarding them with counterpoints, ask questions. The right question, like, can you explain that with an example? Can unravel weak logic without you ever needing to raise your voice. Eighth, use silence like a weapon. After delivering a strong point, stop. Let the silence hang in the air. Your opponent might stumble trying to fill it, giving you more angles to work with. Sometimes, silence is louder than words. Ninth, know what you're talking about. Facts are your best defense. Don't claim something unless you're sure you can back it up. If you can't support your argument with evidence, you're building on shaky ground, and they'll notice. 10th, know when to walk away. Not every argument is winnable. Sometimes your opponent has the stronger case, and that's okay. Know when to admit defeat and do it gracefully. True wisdom is knowing when to let go of the need to be right. Look, debates are a natural part of life. Whether you're negotiating a deal, resolving conflict with a loved one, or standing your ground in a discussion, these tactics can help you navigate any debate with confidence. At the end of the day, it's not just about winning. It's about how you win. Win with respect, win with clarity, and most importantly, win without burning bridges. Let us know in the comments. What's your go-to debate strategy? Thanks for watching. Want more content like this? Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload.